Hey Lego friends, welcome back to Heather's Little Corner. We are going to start with this gift with purchase that came with the tutor module, which is brand new, and I will be building it and showing the progress and giving my point of view as a grandma, Gigi, as a mom, and that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing, is trying to let you know what I think that the kids would like or enjoy building, or if it's very difficult. But I'm going to start with the small kiosk. It looks pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about all of this. If you want, go back and look at my first intro video, and it will explain what my intentions are with my new YouTube channel, with my reviews, and it will explain why I'm in Brick Train's studio and he's not here with me. Okay, let's jump in here and open this box and see what we have. I'm a little scared with this knife. My husband hands me a knife. What is in this box? Let's see. How many bags do you think will be in there? Open the box so the bags can come out. Try not to have it on the mic so it doesn't kill your ears. Instruction booklet. That's always helpful, isn't it? Although they do have some online, and I'm not even going to go on that vent. There's some stickers. How many bags are there? Let's count and see. I believe 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, let's see about building this, huh? Okay, we've got this finished. It didn't take very long to build, so that was pretty cool. It is called the Corner Kiosk, and the number is 40757. Has 2 little minifigs, really cute. Looks like a grumpy old man selling newspapers. He may not be grumpy, but you know, mostly old men are sometimes grumpy. Oh, you know, like brick trains. And we got a girl with a piggy tail. Adorable, of course. And we have a gumball machine down here. I thought it was pretty neat the way they had the pieces that you used to make it. It was very creative. The newspaper, I don't know what you call these things, turnstile thing, I don't know. It's got some newspapers on there, looks like maybe some maps, some postcards. There were a few stickers that needed to be put on. The newspapers were printed already, so did not have to do a sticker on the newspapers. But the little tiny postcards, yeah, that was fun. It wasn't bad. This, I just think, is adorable, the little thing. It doesn't really turn, but I can just see a kid come along and go, phew, you know, in real stores. Okay. And this is the little building. I think it is adorable. Cute sticker up here. Got a clock. This sticker in the window was a little bit tricky for me. It's a clear one, so it's not too terribly bad. But then they've got a cute little map that lays over the newspaper, and the little awning I thought was cute with the two colors that they used. I'm not sure what that other color is with the white. I'll have to look that one up to be correct on saying. The inside's cute. It's got like a bin type thing looking that you would like stick maybe postcards down in. There's a couple racks in there that you can put the magazines on, the maps on. So really, this little set went very, very quickly. I figured it would take a little longer, and I honestly thought that it kind of looked a little bigger. Not that I'm saying it's bad. It's not bad. It's a good size. It's just, I guess I was comparing it to the modular that it goes with. And obviously it's huge, and so this is really small compared to that. So that is my opinion. Got the clock, man, if you like, just barely touch it, it like goes all different directions. So this little set is the gift with purchase with the Tudor corner that we got to put in our city. And I believe that the size of it and the cuteness is going to be adorable in the city. I'm sure Dakota will have fun playing with it. The number on this is 40757. Sorry guys, I can't see upside down. So I recommend this little set. It's very cute, very quick build, easy with the stickers. They were small, but they weren't bad. And I'm not a sticker fan, so thumbs up. And we'll see you next time.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Either way, I appreciate you stopping by and watching my videos.